Hey, it's the Midnight Raven, and today it is the last mystery box of July. Would you believe we are nearly in August? So here it is. I've done it again. It's the last HMV mystery box that I picked up for July. This will be the last one. I have done so many this month, but the last three have been amazing. I've been ranting for months to get new stock, and the gods have given me new stock. So the last three boxes had new items in, apart from like three that were repeats. So go check them out. There's a playlist. But wait, not yet. This box first, mind you. £9.99, £25 worth of value, 5 items, anything from TV, film, cinema, music, games. I wish they put more gaming stuff in here. I really do. I would love to get. Last time I got a Pac-Man mug. I want some more gaming stuff. Come on, feed me some gaming stuff. So let's see what we've got. Oh, okay. Okay, so another repeat. Get our HMV. They must have so many of these in a box somewhere, and they're just like throw one in, throw one in. Well, no, stop throwing them in, okay? I must have 20 of these. I can literally give every neighbour I have one of these. Stop putting them in the box. But if you like Avengers, I'm sorry that you are having to witness me freaking out. Next, we have the same sticker from the previous box. Spoiler alert, just so you don't have to watch it. Spoiler alert, a really terrible sticker. Next, anything good? Do we have another pin? Ooh, we have another button pin, and it is different. Yes, another button pin, and it is this one, which is, I believe, bit of focus, Harry Potter's Slytherin. Quote me if I'm wrong. I think it says Slytherin. It's very hard with the camera to pick it up because it is so shiny. But it's Harry Potter's Slytherin, and this is obviously the sign for their house. I think they're called houses. My favourite character from Harry Potter is Snape or Draco. Malfoy. Is it Malfoy? And Severus Snape. Or Sirius Black. All of the bad people, basically, just the whole bad people. Okay, next we always do the posters. We always leave the bigger items till last. And this poster is Marvel Comics The Amazing Spider-Man. The Green Goblin's Last Stand. Now, I honestly couldn't tell you if I've had this one. The last box, spoiler alert again, was the Silver Sable one. I don't know if I've had this poster. I've had quite a few Spider-Man ones. I wish they'd put some other ones in apart from Spider-Man. You know, Superman, Batman, Marvel ones. I don't know. I've never read any comics like this, but I mean the artwork looks quite cool. You got Spidey dude there saving some woman. Kind of cool. Got another poster. Ooh, okay, so this is, I believe this is Crash Bandicoot. Someone tell me differently. It says Bandicoot at the bottom, so I'm guessing this is Crash Bandicoot. Is that his name? I don't know. This is a gaming thing. Did you hear the box gods up there? Like that crack of thunder? Because I asked for gaming stuff, and here we have a poster. Do you know what? Sometimes you can manifest stuff. Although it was probably in the box and it was by chance. But still, there's hope. But yeah, Bandicoot. Nice little poster. I'm guessing it's like a double poster. I don't know, I would assume there'd be like another poster here. Maybe it was like a 2-1. I don't know. I think it's quite cool. We got a little tiki man at the back there. Some TNT. I'm going to guess that apples. Yeah, okay. And then we have 2 repeats. So, spoiler alert, if you haven't watched the previous video, this mug was in the last box. It's a shame. that it is another mug, but I was going to keep one of these for my collection, so now I can keep one and now I can sell one. So this is Che Guevara. I don't know how you pronounce his name. Don't know much about him. I did ask in the previous video if you knew who this was to comment down below and give me some more details. I mentioned Mexican Cartel. I still don't know because I am batch filming. But it is, must admit, his profile on a white mug with the black, and then round the side in red you've obviously got his name. So it is a cool mug, mind you. It comes from Pyramid, which is where quite a lot of the mugs come from. But it is a good mug. Good mug. And then, oh, we got another one of these. That means I can keep this one. If you saw the previous video, I was fangirling over the fact that this notebook, it is a notebook from Suicide Squad, yeah, was actually in the shape of a videotape. This is a videotape shaped notebook with lines, and then on the back, it's a videotape. This entire hardback book, once you take this cover off, it's actually a videotape front and back. I mean, can you get more fangirl than that? But this is really cool. And then on the actual inside, you can see that. Oh, it's a bit hard to show you here, but you've got the picture in the middle, and it's reflecting. And then you obviously get these as well. Don't know if you can see that. It's because it's shining. You get a bunch of stickers as well. This is amazing, and I'm actually going to keep one of these. So I'm going to keep one of these and one of my mugs. And if you haven't seen the previous video, I got a match of each of these. So I'm going to keep both of these for myself. And then I'm going to sell the other ones that I have. So Suicide Squad book is the best item in the box. Followed by the mug, which we had in the previous box. But I'm going to keep it. And then I'm going to sell the other one. Then 2 new items. The 2 posters, I believe these are both new. Quote me if I'm wrong, but 2 new posters. Amazing Spider-Man, Crash Bandicoot. Followed by a new pin for Harry Potter Slithering. And then a dumbass sticker, which we keep getting, which I'm bored of. And this keychain, which is the worst keychain in history, and apparently I need 10 of them. So, this is the last HMV mystery box for July, I believe. I don't think I'm going to get any more this month. I'm thinking to give it till next month and give them a chance to put new items in. Now, I don't know if they do it monthly. I mean, it could just be random when they put them in. In all honesty, I've had hits and misses. The last 6 months has been really poor. The last 3 boxes, or 4 if you count this one, were really good. So maybe I just need to leave it a couple of months in between boxes and get like every other month. But yeah, comment down below. Do you get these boxes? Do you like mystery boxes? Should I buy more mystery boxes from elsewhere? Because there are tons. If you want to help support the channel and support my fund for mystery boxes, a PayPal, a super chat, a super thanks, or become a member. Get behind the scenes videos, people. This is extra content you cannot get anywhere else on YouTube because it's my own, but it's special because only certain people are getting it. And you, yes you, in the back there, could be one of them. Also, like me on Instagram as well. I put Instagram shorts on there. I do videos every day. And I will see you soon for another unboxing. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.